G'day guys, Keithy here. Thanks for joining me again. A bit of an update video for you now. So you can probably see, I don't know if you can, I've got the radiator out, the fan out at the moment, and I've also got the battery out. I've got a heap of wiring laying around here. Now this is a part of a few reasonably big projects that I've got going on. I'm pretty sure you'll be interested in it. I know I am. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's a combination of a lot of things, so it's probably going to be about a 4 or 5 part series that I'll end up doing up out of it. There's a lot to take in, a lot of research and whatnot has gone into this, what I'm doing now, and very interesting. So that'll be happening over the next month or so. I've already been at this since October last year, but just working heaps. I haven't had the time to be able to really crack into it. So I'm nearly finished what I'm doing here in particular, and then it's time to get out there and do some road tests and get some info for you, so stay tuned.